Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
Number one is Himalayan segment from Yamunotri to Tajewala, 172 km non-polluted zone. Second is upper segment from Tajewala to Wazirabad, 224 km polluted by agrochemicals used in Haryana. Number third, Delhi segment from Wazirabad barrage to Okhala barrage, that is 22 kilometers highly polluted zone due to Delhi effluent discharges. Number fourth is eutrophicated segment from Okhala barrage to joining place with river Chambal, 400 km highly polluted with microbes and with highest BOD, Mathura and Agra covered in the segment. Number 5, mixed segment from Chambal Sangam to Allahabad, 468 km pollution level decreases. The pollution problem in Delhi segment is acute and highly dangerous. About 1900 million liters sewage is discharged every day in this segment of 22 kilometers. The total treatment capacity of Delhi plants is about 1270 milliliters per day, that is about 630 milliliters per day of it is still discharged directly to the river Yamuna without any treatment. Moreover, the treated water is also not pure. It remains partially untreated. Further, 2800 milliliter effluents per day are discharged into the river by 11 main mullahs out of total 19, which result in an increase of 200 BOD and 160 tons suspended solids. Najalgarh and Shahadara nalas are most problematic. The pollution indicator coliform test revealed the presence of 24 million Escherichia coli, that is bacteria, per 100 milliliter, maximum permitted 7500 coli per 100 milliliter in the downstream of Okhala region, which is indicative of the magnitude of water pollution. Conditions became more severe during summer. In 1993, in the second step of Ganga Action Plan of Government of India, Yamuna Action Plan was also taken up. It included 127 working projects, of which 48 are in Uttar Pradesh, 76 in Haryana and 3 in Delhi. After 13 years of works on these projects, the pollution problem still remains serious. Pollution is further nurtured due to barrages built in Delhi, Mathura and Agra for civic water supply and number of canals made for irrigation. All this has made river Yamuna as sewage Vahini. Now, the next pollution case study, it is related with Minamata tragedy. Minamata is a small coastal town of Kyushu in Japan. In 1950s, town people noticed a strange behavior of their cats. These cats were twitching, stumbling and jerking. They called them the dancing cats. Studies revealed that such cats were suffering from brain damage due to methyl mercury poisoning. Methyl mercury poisoning was serious. Methyl mercury may cause fatal poisoning by developing crippling disease, now popularly known as Minamata disease. The disease occurred in epidemic form in Kyushu in Japan during 1953 to 1961 and in Niigata in Japan in 1965. The chemical plant of Minamata Bay in Kyushu used to release mercury in the bay, which was converted into soluble methyl mercury by sedimentary bacteria like Clostridium, Cocarum, and Pseudomonas species.